right, folks, here we are. I'm on my little table of Markel fog light collections, and I'm doing some things over. Now, I wanted to explain to you what I ended up doing. This was one of the ones, and it's been pretty beaten up since I took it off the Capri. The ones that I originally did. So the way that these work, if you look here, when they were made, they have a light in there, and that light used to reflect off this little piece and reflect off the back and then come out, okay? When I did this one, I removed that, so let's show. These have already been loosened up and taken off. So this piece of plastic right here, something I bought off somebody, and that allowed me to widen up the gap here, okay? So I could put this type of a light bulb in there, and it would all fit, and that's good, but I couldn't find the guy on the 3D printer. So this is how I had done it, and just sort of done it that way. And it eliminated this piece here, and it wasn't too bright. Now, here we go. Version number 3. I was starting to put some pieces together, test fit them. This is how it's going to look. So there's your cover, there's your glass. This one is not finished yet because I haven't retroed it yet. This one has that light in there, as you can see. What I plan to do is remove this piece in the center, and here we go. I'm not even taking them out, but you're gonna have to look. These are LEDs that are designed to replace those old bulbs in there. All right. So, shout out to this company, RMS Lighting. Okay, there's their information. Because I'm not good enough to drop things in descriptions in the links, but they make this bulb that replaces this bulb. So you can eliminate this piece. But I was mocking these up today. I mean, these are still going to be painted. I've sanded them down. Here's the new lens. Here's the outside cover. I'm going to be careful. I'm going to basically clean these all up, take that out, put in the other LED, and then I'll pop these on like so. And that way I don't have to make them super wide. Whereas, remember, now these, I had to because of that type of bulb, and I think you know where I'm going with this. Stay with me, everybody, because this is important. See how this one was? So give me that extra bit. So here's the ones that I had built for the car. Here's going to be the new set. This is just in the mock-up stage. Here's the bulbs. Cool. Thank you to this company, RMS Lighting. There's their info, their telephone number. Highly recommend them. And here's like, you know, I buy a whole bunch of Markel lights all the time because they're so hard to find. And these are just pieces and parts, and I have plenty more. But I'm going to combine two, sand them down, paint them up, get them ready. And look, Capri's gone. It's my daughter's car. There's some new tires for it when it comes back. But I cleaned up the garage, painted it all white for the Capri to come back. I want to say, and then thank you to everybody that watches these videos. I'm not sure why some people only watch a few seconds and turn away, but whatever. If you really want to learn and see what this looks like, it's got to get a little scratch on that. All right, so summarize. These little cats go on the inside. Got those off Etsy. What spell? I don't know how to spell. I'm going to use these lights from RMS Lighting. I'm going to take these all apart and paint them up. And of course, these are fastened in there a certain way too. And I'll show you when it's all finished. But I just kind of want to give you an update. And there's the little fasteners there. Of how much work it was just for the fog lights for a 1983 Mercury Capri 5.0. Thanks for checking it out. We'll see you out there.